everyone, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith, and I am so happy that you are here with me today for another Thoughtful Thursday. I think it is so great that you are so interested in spreading love around your world. Today, we will be talking about the art of surprise. Before we do that though, if you like what you're seeing here and want to follow along with all of Kidding Around's videos, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Below each video, click the thumbs up, and also if you really like what you're doing here, please share us with your friends. Thank you very much. All right, well, I have to say that I just came across these two interesting things, or maybe these three interesting things. I see here a piece of paper that says pull. Do you think I should do it? All right, let's see what I find. All right, so I'm going to pull it out. Oh, it looks like a little secret note. It says, please drop the enclosed paper towel in a flat tray of water. Well, what do you think? Should I do that? We've got some paper towels here, and interestingly enough, I just happen to have a flat tray of water with me. All right, well, let's see. Let's you and I see together what is going on here. All right, I have two. Why don't I do this one first? This looks like some fireworks. I wonder what's going to happen. Well, oh my goodness. Do you see that? Those black fireworks are somehow becoming colored. This one looks pink or red. This one looks orange. And this one looks purple. Isn't that interesting? That's really fun, don't you think? Surprises are great. All right, well, that one's been fun. Let's see, let's take this out of the water. I'll put it over here on the paper towel so it doesn't get too much wet. So I'm going to pick it up. It's leaving the water a little bit colored, but I think that's okay. I'm going to put it over here on the paper towel. We'll kind of smooth over the water a little bit. That color will kind of mix in a little. Well, I still have one more paper towel. Should we look at that one? What do you think is going to happen there? All right, let's see. It's a smiley face. One of those emoji, the heart-eyed emojis. That's fun. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Isn't that fun? So why do you think it is that a surprise can make you so happy? Well, I think in this type of an instance, it's because you know that someone was thinking about you, they were thinking about something that would make you happy, and then they did whatever it took to put that surprise in place so that you could be happy. So you today are going to get to be the surprise makers, and I'm going to tell you, I think a lot of times giving a surprise is just as fun as getting one. So to do these paper towels and these fun little notes, you need a few supplies. Not many though, and I'm sure that you have them all on hand. So you will need some paper towels. You will also need some washable markers. It's important that they're washable and they can be in any color that you want to make your design in. And then you will also need a Sharpie marker. This is a permanent marker, and it is important that it's permanent, and this should be in black. So that's what you need to make these paper towel surprises. And then to make this fun little note, all you need is a piece of copy paper and some markers. So let's get started on our surprise note, and then we will get to these fun paper towels. All right, so we are going to first fold our note. So you are going to take a piece of copy paper and you're going to line up the corners and fold it in half the long way. And we'll get these out of the way for now. You'll fold it in half the long way. Then you're going to open it up and you are going to fold in each corner to make a triangle. You can use that center line that you just folded as your guideline to know how far to push in the point of your paper to get that folded properly. All right, so you fold all four in like that. Okay, so now we're going to put our points on the sides and the flat part at the top and bottom. And then we are going to take that bottom part and fold in towards that center line, just like that. And then we will turn our paper and we will do the same with what was the top but then became the bottom. All right, so you should have something that looks like that. Then you are going to take these triangles and you are going to fold them in as well. So there you go, there's one, and there's the second one. All right. Make sure that your creases are pretty strong here. That always makes for easier paper folding. Okay, so now you have this rectangle. Well, then you can flip it over, and this is where you are going to write your surprise message. So I am going to write, please drop the included paper towel in a flat tray of water for a surprise. I am very hopeful that this helps them to know that they should drop it flat instead of maybe finding a bowl and putting it in that isn't big enough, or maybe wadding it up and putting it in. Hopefully the flat tray of water will help them to know how to put this paper towel in the water. And then I'll put a smiley face, because a smiley face is always happy making. All right, so once you have your note written, you are then going to fold on your note, you're going to fold this rectangle in thirds. All right, so there's my first third, and there's my second third. So folding a paper in thirds only takes 2 folds, because see, now you have 1, 2, 3 sections with 1, 2 folds. Okay, then you are going to do the little tricky part. It's not super tricky, but it just takes a little bit of finagling. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to, like I said, here, you know what? When I folded it in thirds, it wasn't exactly in thirds. This part is a little bit bigger, and that's okay. Just fold it in the way that it feels natural to you, so that it doesn't feel like you're crunching folds. All right, so I am going to take this top piece of paper, and then I am going to slide it in to the corners of my last third section. Does that make sense? So here is my note. I've folded it, and then I am going to take this top part and slide it in to the other piece of paper that looks quite similar to it with the folds. All right, then you can kind of straighten it out and make sure your creases are tight, and then you can take your marker and you can draw a little arrow that tells someone to pull. So then all they have to do is pull this tab, and then they would see the same message that you just wrote. And you remember when I did this one, here, I'll do this one again so that I don't unfold the surprise one that I have just made. All right, so this is what it looks like, right? And then you just pull it open, and there is a fun little note telling you about an even bigger surprise, right? Okay, so that letter is a fun pre-surprise for the paper towels, which I think are the main surprise. So let's talk about how to make the main surprise. Before we go any further, I should tell you that there are 2 different ways to do this. So I did the fireworks and I did the emoji, and the fireworks are the one that I'm going to show you first, but then I will show you how to do the emoji one later too. All right, so think back to those fireworks. Remember, they were black, and then I put them in the water, and then all of a sudden you saw color seep out of the black, right? Okay, so this type of surprise works best with line drawings. So think about something that you can draw with simple lines that is very colorful. So fireworks are great. I think that I am going to do now some balloons. So I'm going to take my colored markers, remember these are washable, and I am going to draw in simple line drawings some balloons. So I'm going to draw a blue balloon there. Let's see, I'll draw a purple balloon over here. And then I will draw a red balloon. I think I'm going to use all of the colors of the rainbow. Oh, you know, a rainbow would be really fun to do this with as well. You could draw a line rainbow, and then you could make it appear black, and then when you drop it in the water, it would all of a sudden become your rainbow. All right, so I am almost done here with my balloons, my rainbow colored balloons. And then this is where the magic comes in. We take our permanent marker, permanent black marker, and then you are going to go over, draw right on top of the colored lines that you just made. So the permanent marker will not spread in the water, but the washable marker will, because the washable marker has been designed to come out of things when it gets wet, right? But the permanent marker is permanent. So the permanent marker stays, and then those colors that are behind them, that are behind the black lines, will just start peeking out. And that is the magic of this surprise. All right, so I am going to do my best to cover up as much color as I can. You might still have a little bit peeking out, but that's okay. Most people, when they see this, are going to say, oh, there are some black balloons, right? All right, I'm also going to draw some strings because, I don't know, it just seems like these balloons would also be on strings. All right, so there we go. We have our black balloons. Now, I know that I already have some colored water in here because this emoji has been sitting, making it colored, but I still think that we are going to see some magic when we put this in. Of course, if you are making your surprise, you would not be putting this in water because you would want the person you're surprising to put it in water. But I don't know, I just think this is too much fun to pass up. So we are going to do this right here together. All right, so here we go. Drop, and we have black balloons. Oh my goodness, and they are becoming colored balloons just in front of your eyes. Isn't that so much fun? I just don't get tired of seeing these color changes. This would be even better in plain water, and I'm sure that you can use your imagination to think about what that would look like. Of course, the person that you are surprising will be dropping in their paper towels into plain water, so they are going to be able to see the amazing magic in the best conditions. All right, so now let's talk about the other way to do this colorful paper towel surprise. So to do this is the one that I showed you that was the emoji. And to do this, you will need 2 paper towels. They should still be connected, but then they should be folded over. So it looks just like one, but you've got a double layer here. All right, so then you are going to decide what you want to draw on your paper towel, what you want to all of a sudden fill with color. So I think that I am going to do a message. I think that I am going to do an eye and a heart. And I bet maybe you can figure out what the next thing that I'm going to draw is. That's right. It is a U. So whoever I'm giving this to will know that I love them. All right, so I have I heart you, and I have decided that I am going to color this heart, or I want this heart to appear red when whoever I give it to sees it. So I'm going over the parts that I want to color a little bit more with my black marker because I want the marker to show through on this bottom paper towel. So you can see it's not showing through very much yet, so I am going to go over it a little bit more. So I'm using my permanent black marker to draw the lines that the person that you're surprising will first see before they drop their paper towel into the water. So I'm really going over this, but I'm also being very careful not to tear the paper towels. It's easy to tear paper towels with marker. This surprise is best done with markers that are fresh. So old markers that don't write so well will probably not work as well. So use your good markers for this one. All right, I see that I still have a little bit of lineage to draw to transfer through. So I am going to just keep going over this heart. And the heart on the bottom doesn't have to be solid, but I want it to be enough that I can tell where I am going to color in, because that is what provides the magic. So I think, let me just get this little corner of a heart. It doesn't feel quite right. That doesn't feel like the right word. But let me just get that heart, the top of that heart colored in a little more. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's close enough that I can follow along and figure out where my color should go. All right, so remember I drew on the top. Now I am going to fold that back, leave it attached, but I'm going to fold it back, and then I am going to color in whatever I want to appear colored when my surprise drops this in the water. All right, so I am coloring this heart red. This doesn't have to be super solid, and you will see that as you color these paper towels, if you have a large patch of color, you'll see that the paper towels kind of start to bubble up. So just be aware of that. It makes it a little bit harder to color, and I think if you don't put quite as much color down, that bubbling won't happen quite as much. All right, so this, I'm almost done here. And so then when it's dropped in the water, the person will see, I love you. They drop it in the water, and then all of a sudden the heart becomes red. And I know, of course, I want to give this to the person that I'm trying to surprise, but I also have to tell you, I so enjoy dropping these in the water and watching them myself. I think probably you like that too. So I am going to go ahead and put this in some water so that we can both experience it together, and then I'll draw another one. I'll draw some more balloons to surprise the person with my letter that I am going to surprise. Okay, but to do this one, I am going to go and change this water. It's gotten quite yellow, so I'm going to change it so we have the full effect. Okay, I am back now with some fresh water, and I am ready to drop this paper towel surprise in. Are you ready? All right, let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, doesn't that make you happy? Just watching it makes you happy. Can you imagine how much happier you would be if you knew that someone had taken the time to prepare these for you? Well, you get to be that person, and again, as I mentioned earlier, the person who gives the surprise is quite often just as happy as the person who receives the surprise. So this is great. It just spreads happiness all over the world. I would love to see pictures of your paper towel surprises or videos of your paper towel surprises, either in action or right after they were in action. Please ask a grown-up to take those videos and pictures and post those to our Facebook site. Well, thank you so much for joining me for another Thoughtful Thursday lesson. I have to tell you, you make my heart happy by coming to these lessons, doing these activities, and also doing other kind activities that I know that you do regularly. You make the world a better place. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday when we will be talking about another wonderful woman. And until then, take care. Thanks so much for joining me. Thanks so much for kidding around with me, and I will see you next time.